this is it. Hey girlies, so I recently just went to 12 Oaks Mall in Novi, Michigan, and I was able to visit the Glam-Aholic workshop in there. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So it did come in this really big gift bag, and I must say the customer service at Glam-Aholic is top tier. They were all so helpful, so sweet, willing to help me look at products. Like, thank you, that was top-notch service. But let's go ahead and get into what I got. So I did want another toiletry bag, so I went ahead and got the black one. I did want the mesh one so I can wear it to work, but they only had the black one and a couple other ones in stock, so I just went ahead and got that. Okay, so taking it out the box, she does come super secure, and I love that. The bags do come with a dust bag, so if you are a girly that like to keep your things in a dust bag and protect it, Mia got you together. So this is it. Okay, so this is Miss Ma'am. She is super big, y'all. Like very spacious, and she do retail for $55. If you are interested, you can shop at www.glamaholic.com, or if you live in Michigan, while it's still there, they do have that pop-up shop in 12 Oaks. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Zippers do have the G's on there, as you can see. Super cute, very material. Like, come on, material. When you open it up, it has a zipper here that you can put things. And then also it is very spacious in here. There's also a little pocket here that you can put some extra things. Just to kind of give you some context on how big this is a full-size bottle from Bath and Body Works, and I'm just gonna put it in here so you can see how big it is. Like, look at all that space. Like, look at all that space. I will be using this as my work bag to kind of keep like everything that I need in here. So I'm super excited, y'all. If you haven't shopped Glam-Aholic, what you doing? All right, girl. Bye.